Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back. As you can tell by the title and what we're staring at, we are going to be completely revamping the Yamaha R1 today. As you can see, we have the fake carbon fairings on here, which honestly I'm just not a fan of, and I don't think really anyone's a fan of fake carbon on anything. So we are going to be removing that carbon, and we are just going to be putting the stock OEM fairings, which in my opinion should make this bike look a little bit cleaner. And with that, we are going to be taking off the SC project and all the way up here. Sorry, the garage is literally a mess, dude. Like, I don't know what's going on in the garage at this point. But we have this debadged Acropovic that we're going to be throwing on. So I'll explain why I'm going with the Acropovic over this SC in a future video. So be on the lookout for that. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Just going to start ripping fairings off. All right, as you can see, we have pulled off majority of the fairings. Total working time so far, I've been at this for 23 minutes, so it's very fast work on this bike. Yamaha made it very simple to pull everything apart, so yeah, this shouldn't take me more than like an hour and a half tops. But yeah, literally it took me maybe 3-5 minutes for each side fairing, and then the front, it's just super simple. This back part is like where all the little tiny stuff is, where you have to get off. That's gonna take the most time, but getting everything off is very simple. All right, SC project off, on with the Acropovic. All right, well, we've got the debadged Acropovic on and installed. All right, we're gonna give this thing a little cold start. Alright, well, here is the finished product. She is looking way cleaner, way sleeker. I mean, just look at that front end. It looks way better. So the thing is, somehow, someway, I lost one of the gray fairings in the back. So it is still like this half carbon, but I'm actually kind of digging the half carbon, half gray. So I'm gonna get these in real carbon, and then I'll get these in also real carbon, so it'll make everything look a little sleeker. But the gray is definitely where it's at. And then for that Acropovic, man, it looks way better on here with all that carbon and the gray. So I would go for a ride, but obviously it is raining right now. And second of all, if we come to this side, the whole side fairing's off, and the ECU is out, and it is being shipped to More Mafia to get untuned, and then I would be shipping it to a new tuner to get it tuned. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna try and push as much horsepower as we possibly can out of this thing, so stay tuned for that, guys. And yeah, I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace out, guys. But yeah, let me know what y'all think of the build. Do y'all fuck with it or no? I think this is probably the best it's ever looked. So yeah, guys, I will catch you all in the next one. Peace. Dude, I haven't repped the black gloves in a hot minute, but welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is probably going to be like a pretty short, laid-back video, so like no major ripping or anything. I only have one battery on me and it's like half charged, so this footage is probably going to get cut short or scrapped. Not too sure about
all we're doing is we're just heading to get food and then go to some abandoned thing, but my camera probably doesn't have enough to record going over there, so the video is probably going to cut to when we get to where we're going. So, but yeah, tag along with me. Dude, it is super nice out actually. I know that in a little second here it's going to get freezing cold though, so not excited about that, but it feels pretty nice right now. Yeah, it's actually really nice out here, dude. This is actually wild. Thought it was gonna be a tad bit cold, but I am double layered, so I still get. I'm not like cold, but I got like a little tiny wind chill. Dude, thank God I didn't hit any of these, dude. Oh, and this is green up here, perfect. I better make this. I want to start speeding up though. What is this car doing, bro? Alright, I made this light. Oh, shit! Damn, bro, look at the sunset. No, dude, we hit this red. Look how busy this intersection is, dude. People can't even get through. And these people are gonna block me. Nice old BMW. Hey, dude, you want to know what sucks about owning a leader bike for long enough is that like you have to chase adrenaline rush now. Like my heart is not pumping at all from doing that, by the way, like in the slightest. Like it's actually pretty crazy, because like before when I'd hit 100 on my 600, dude, it felt like the fastest thing ever, dude. But I mean, like 150, it's still very, very, very fast. Like, you know, can't really comprehend stuff at that speed, but it just feels like I can, dude. It just feels like that wasn't fast at all. It's pretty wild, bro. Bro, like 120 feels probably like 75 to me. 75 or 80. Like, it's pretty wild. And that's especially after the H2, bro. That thing felt wild, dude. Like, once I did 201 on that. Dude, 201, by the way, was insane, dude. Like, there's no other feeling. But my first time going 201, like, there's nothing that has ever matched that feeling. But I'm going 200 now on the H2, and it's not like it was before, obviously. Still, I still get an adrenaline rush from doing fucking 200, obviously, but it's not as heart pounding as it used to be.